Well, good morning and welcome to Travels with the Russells. And today we're in the fabulous city of Rotterdam. So we're just going to go across the bridge here and we're going to go and take you for the market tour. So if you'd like to join us for a look around Rotterdam Market, it's where the MSC bus stops. So if you're going to be doing that, come and join us. See you soon.
Well, it's Nigel and Julie, a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care. Retired from the hustle, now they're home free. Cruising the oceans, oh, can't you see?
So if you're coming to Rotterdam and you don't want to pay the, whatever it is, €14, €15 for the 1 mile trip into town, then off your ship. When you get off, turn left, up, and across the bridge to the other side of the river where Rotterdam City is. Wow. Oh, they are noisy, them trams. So, oh, it's cold and it's grey and it's rather bleak here today. Rather freezing. But at least it's stopped raining. It was raining. Stopped now. Something else you might fancy doing if you're here in Rotterdam is the Euro Tower. I'll just switch the camera around there, and in fact there is the Euro Tower, and that's a good about 30-minute walk to the Euro Tower experience. So you cross over this bridge and we'll be heading into Rotterdam, so we'll catch up with you when we get nearer to the market. So as we say down past the Maritime Museum and then turn right, and hopefully should arrive at the market. Well, hopefully we'll arrive somewhere. So this is actually the point for the MSC drop off and pick up, which is, to be fair, about a 12-minute walk, I would say. 10-minute brisk walk, 20-minute slow walk, about 12 minutes to get here, and I think they're charging 14 or 15 euros return. So, and that's where it drops you off, and of course where it's dropping you off is the market. That's quite an interesting statue, outside market. So I'll take you for a quick walk around the outside market, then we'll have a look around the inside market. The lights aren't actually strobing, it's just on the camera. I bet you don't. Socks, €3 for some socks. €1. Oh, odd. Oh. Well, flower market. Well, purple. Well, looks like food stalls carry on down there. Have a little look. Some chips and mayonnaise. Chips and mayo. Yeah, I'm sorry I cut Julie off there, but just saying that even McDonald's has its own special mayo for the chips and mayo. It's a mustardy mayo, more mustard. Oh, so it's more material than I thought, rather than food. And as you can see, just goes on and on. Big market, very big market. All with honeycomb in it. That's a bit better. I've changed the frame rate. Yeah, gorgeous fish. If you like fish. Oh. The belt and push. Brilliant. Some it's all eateries down here, but might be wrong. I normally am. Just like goes on. Dried goods. Again. All the herbs and spices smells amazing. We're next door to the bakery. Which looks good, fresh bread. So I guess we'll head for the inside market, see what that's like. This one's busy, the outside one. And now we shall enter the inside market. So let's have a look inside here. Let's go. Well, get a load of that roof. That's pretty cool. Yeah, very impressive, the market hall. So it's kind of a food hall more than a marketplace. It does sell stuff. But on the sides here, like restaurants. And then there are takeaway and snack places. Oh, Dunkin' Donuts. Mm-hmm. Peanut butter with garlic and bread. Wow. Flavoured peanut butters. Well, who knew? Who knew? I mean, peanut butter and salt and chocolate go together, so maybe date and cinnamons and garlic and onions go with peanut butter. Who knows? Handmade with love. Interesting. I could have to be really hungry. Looks like a seal, that kid. Wow. Well, so really the market I would suggest is outside, and this is more of a With a nice food court and takeaways, restaurants. Very nice. Oh, there's more downstairs. Let us go see. Yes, it would appear there's more on different floors. So well worth a visit, well worth a walk round. So as you can see, different levels, different shops. Supermarket down there by the look of it. Well, we did come down, but it's mainly a supermarket and an off-licence and a flower shop. And the WCs and toilets are down here, as well as the underground car parking. So that's what's down here mainly, underground parking. But if you need the toilets, useful to know where they are. I think you have to pay. Yes, you definitely have to pay. It's a turnstile entry payment system. It does say 100 restrooms. So it's 100 restrooms would seem rather a large facility. Red velvet buns.
Coconut macaroons.
Ah, coconut macaroons. Yep. Looks lovely. And ice cream, black ice cream.
Black ice cream, yeah.
And then you've got your handmade chocolates. Yeah, more food. Greek pie shop. Oh yeah. Spinach pie. Oh, yeah, I love feta pie, spinach pie, all that. Yeah. So it's Chinese New Year tomorrow, so hence there are a lot of Chinese tourists about, in the holidays.
I think so.
So of course in Holland, here we go with the cheese shop. Oh, some cracking cheese there if you like the old Edam. What a cheese shop. So that was our little video from Rotterdam Market. And if you visit in Rotterdam, it is well worth a look around. And the market hall behind us there is beautiful. And the market outside sells everything. So from cheese to chutneys to fish to chips, you name it, they've got it. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Well, the sun's arising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out on where will we go. Cyprus calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK sky